Hello, welcome back everyone. Let's talk about the biggest wave happening right now. It's AI, right? AI. Everywhere you look, people are talking about chat GPT, automation, and AI tools. And honestly, the question isn't if AI will change your job. It is how soon. Okay? It is how soon. So joining me in this for this discussion, all right, with it titled um, "Why everyone's scrambling to learn AI skills in 2025 and how it changes work forever." Joining me for this discussion is my friend Brian. All right, meet me as I welcome my friend Brian to come and let's have like a Q and A, okay, session about this trending topic. Yeah. So I'm calling on my friend right now to come and join us. Okay. Hello, Brian.
Hey, Afoma, how's it going? I hope you're having a fantastic day. Let me know how I can help today.
Yeah, Brian, I'm having a fantastic day. I'm glad you're joining. Okay, I'm right here on the show on YouTube with my friend. Sorry, with my viewers. Um, we're about diving into an interesting topic titled "Why is everyone scrambling to learn AI skills in 2025?" Like, how is it changing work forever? Right? So that's our discussion for today. And I would like to hear from you. What's your take with the topic and AI in general?
Oh, that sounds like such a. I definitely think AI is transforming so many industries and the way we work, and it's definitely creating new opportunities and challenges. I'm excited to dive into all of that with your viewers.
Interesting, Brian. Interesting. So this brings me to my first question. Like, Brian, why is everyone suddenly, okay, in a rush to learn AI skills in 2025? Is it fear of losing jobs or the desire to stay ahead of the curve?
Yeah, it's definitely a mix of both. There's that concern about job security for sure, but there's also a big drive to stay, competitive and innovative. Plus, AI is touching so many different fields, though it's kind of become a must-have skill for the future. It's a fascinating shift for sure.
A fascinating shift. Yeah, yeah, I see. Yeah, because when you scroll through social media, I see people launching AI courses, AI tools, AI side hustles, literally everywhere. It's like the gold rush all over again. All right, but this time it's digital. Do you think this AI movement is hype or a history in the making?
I love that analogy. I definitely think there's a bit of both going on. There's definitely some hype, but at the same time, AI is really laying the groundwork for some long term transformative changes. So I think we're definitely witnessing history, and it'll be interesting to see how it evolves over the next few years.
Yeah, interesting for us to see how AI is going to evolve in the next few years. Okay, interesting. Now, Brian, I also wonder which jobs are actually safe in this new AI era. Like, what industries will still need human touch? Okay, when machines start doing everything faster and cheaper. What's your take, Brian?
That's such a great question. I definitely think that jobs that require creativity, emotional intelligence, and complex problem solving will remain pretty secure. For instance, healthcare, counseling, creative arts, and even leadership roles will still need that human touch. AI will definitely complement a lot of these fields, but the human element will still be essential.
I see. For those of us in health related field, you've heard from Brian. All right, now let's talk about something people rarely mention: the mindset shift. Yeah, AI isn't just about learning tech; it's about learning to adapt. Do you think people fear AI because it exposes how fast the world is changing?
Absolutely. That a big part of it. The rapid pace of change can definitely be intimidating, and it can make people feel a bit uneasy. It's not just about mastering new tools, but also about embracing a growth mindset and being open to lifelong learning. So yeah, the fear often comes from that realization that we need to adapt quickly, and that can be a bit overwhelming for some.
I see. And again, this is it. Here's what I noticed. People think AI is for tech genius only. Yeah. But in reality, anyone can use it. From entrepreneurs to creativities, okay, or to creatives, even teachers and fashion designers. So how can everyday person start learning AI skills without feeling overwhelmed?
That's such a great point. I think the key is to start small and focus on practical applications. For example, just exploring beginner-friendly AI tools or platforms that don't require deep technical knowledge can help. Also, focusing on how AI can solve specific problems in your field can make it more approachable. And of course, taking it step by step and being patient with yourself is super important.
Super important. Taking it step by step, okay? And being patient with yourself. You don't have to be in a rush. Yeah. Okay, Brian. You know, it's crazy how fast this is all happening right now. One day we are talking about social media jobs. The next, AI is building websites, writing scripts and running businesses. Do you think we have reached a point where AI becomes the new employer? Or the new do you think, let me reframe that. Do you think the era, okay, has come where AI becomes the new employee, rather?
I totally get what you mean. It definitely feels like we're heading into an era where AI is taking on more and more roles, almost like a new kind of employee in the workforce. It's already happening in so many fields, and it's likely to keep growing. That said, I think it'll also create new kinds of jobs and new opportunities for collaboration between humans and AI. It's definitely an exciting and transformative time.
Yeah. Wow. Okay, now here's my final question for you, Brian. If someone is watching this right now and they feel left behind, what's one simple step they can take today to start building a future where AI works for them, not against them?
I love that question. I'd say the simplest first step is to pick one accessible AI tool or platform and just play around with it. It could be something like an AI-powered writing assistant or even a simple AI chatbot. The idea is to get comfortable and curious and then gradually build from there. Over time, that small step can turn into a big leap in confidence and capability.
Okay, before I Brian, I let you go. I want you to please, like, for the benefit of my viewers, okay, could you please give us, like, probably within the count of 1 to 10, probably the best AI skills, okay, you would advise someone who is looking out to, like, upscaling, or probably kind of maybe like do like a career shift, okay, someone who intends to, like, okay, do a career shift. All right, what are the skills you would advise such person or such people to to take up?
Absolutely, I'd love to. So, if I were to rank some key AI skills, I'd say first, definitely machine learning basics, understanding how algorithms work and how to train models. Second, natural language processing, since it's super relevant for chatbots and content generation. Third, data analysis and data visualization, because that's fundamental to making sense of AI outputs. Fourth, AI ethics, understanding the ethical implications is crucial. And fifth, automation tools, like using AI for automating repetitive tasks. Those would be great foundational skills for anyone looking to pivot or level up in their career.
All right, my viewers, you've heard from my friend and my guest, Brian, all right, who happens to be my regular co-host for this show. And to me, honestly, the future isn't about competing with AI. It's about, partnering with it. And those who learn that early will lead the next generation. You've heard from Brian, and it's been amazing speaking to him. So, Brian, Your last word. Your last word before I let you go.
Oh, thank you so much, Afoma. I absolutely agree. It's all about that collaboration and partnership with AI, and I'm excited to see how everyone embraces it. My last words would be to stay curious, keep learning, and to remember that we're all on this journey together. Thanks so much for having me, and I can't wait for our next chat.
Yeah, same here, Brian. It's always a pleasure to have you, and thank you so very much. Okay, bye for now, Brian.
Of course, it's always a joy. Thanks so much, Afoma, and take care. Bye for now, and I'll catch you next time.
Yeah, same here, Brian. Same here. All right, guys. If this conversation opened your eyes, okay, comment "I am learning AI" below in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel, because the next video might, show you how AI can literally build your next income. All right, or should I say your next income stream? All right, okay. You have yourself a lovely day, and until I see you in my next, bye for now. Bye bye.